Hey, let me show you how you can increase the grid of your home screen on a Samsung S25. So as you can see, currently we've got 7 by 7, but as a default, when you open those settings, you can only find 5 by 6. This is the maximum one. But as you can see, I've got 7 by 7, and let me show you how I actually reached this number. So you will have to start by opening a Galaxy Store, and then you will have to click right here. And you have to search for this phrase, good luck. Now, when you download this application, you will have to open it. And right now you have to go into Home app. You have to get this plugin and then enable this switcher, and go into home screen. Now move into home screen grid, and as you can see here, we can get maximum of 7 by 7. That's how it actually works. After all of this, you can just click apply and it will be changed. That's how it actually looks. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.